Hi guys, welcome to 6th grade, chapter 8, lesson 3. We're going to go ahead and get started with number 2. So obviously I know that you can go 5 plus what equals 6, and it's going to be 1, okay? That's easy, okay? However, when x starts getting more complicated, when you have longer problems, I want you to picture this, okay? Okay, now think of this as a seesaw, a teeter-totter, okay? Where whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other, okay? Now, in this, I want to know what x is. So I have to get x alone, okay? In order to get x alone, okay, I need to do the opposite of what the sign is and the number. So if I take away 5 over here, I have to take away 5 over here, okay? This is my teeter-totter, okay? Whatever I do to this side, I have to do to this side, okay? So now 6 minus 5 is 1, and we have x equals 1, okay? We're going to try that again, okay? So this says 9 equals x plus 1. Obviously, I know you can do some mental math, and you can figure out that 8 plus 1 equals 9, okay? But this is our teeter-totter, okay? I need to get x alone. So I'm going to subtract 1. I'm going to subtract 1. That leaves me with 8 equals x, which is the same thing as x equals 8. Okay? All right. I'm going to do one more. Okay? I'm going to do it right on here. Okay? It says 8 plus x equals 10. Okay? I want to get x alone. Okay? So I need to subtract 8. And whatever I do to this side of the equal sign, I have to do to this side. So I'm going to subtract 8. Then I just have x, and 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay? You guys do 5 and 6. Okay? For our purposes, we are not drawing a model. Okay? You can if you really want to. Okay? I'm just not going to. Our time does not allow me to draw pictures. So again, we're going to go, we have to do the opposite of the sign and the number. Do the same thing on this side of the equation, and we're left with x equals 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay? This one, subtract 6, x equals 4. Easy peasy, guys, okay? Don't make it harder than it's got to be, okay? All right. The temperature at 10 o'clock was 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This is 3 degrees warmer than the temperature at 8 o'clock. Model and solve the equation x plus 3 equals 10. So we're not going to model, we're just solving, okay? So x plus 3 equals 10 to find the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit at 8 o'clock, okay? So again, we are going to subtract 3, we are left with x, and we get 10 minus 3 is 7 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? All right. Jasper has 7 more checkers left than Karen does. Jasper has 9 checkers left. Write and solve an addition equation to find out how many checkers Karen has left. Okay? So, Karen plus 7 more equals what Jasper has. Yeah? I suppose we could do a C, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. Okay? So now, in order for me to get K alone, I have to subtract 7, and that leaves K equals 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Checkers. Okay? All right. Okay. We are not going to be doing the algebra tiles. Okay? But you can see that there are. Okay. So you guys in your lesson in class did the algebra tiles. You guys can absolutely do 1 and 2 on your own. We are going to go down and do this power review. Okay? A car's gas tank has a capacity of 16 gallons. What is the capacity in pints? Okay, let's get our robots, guys. Let me find mine really fast. There it is. Okay, so we need to convert 16 gallons into pints. Okay, so here's our robot. Okay, we don't need all the information over here, just our robot. Okay, now you will see that in between gallons and pints, there's quarts. So we need to make a stop at quarts in the middle. Okay, so we're going to start with what we know, which is 16 gallons. Okay, and in 1 gallon, we have to stop at quarts. Okay, in 1 gallon, that gallon is touching 1, 2, 3, 4 quarts. Okay, now in 1 quart is touching 1, 2 pints. Okay, so now we're going to cross cancel just our labels. There goes gallons. There goes quarts. I'm left with pints. That's what I want. Okay, now I could do 16 times 4 times 2, or I could do 4 times 2 is 8, and then just do 16 times 8, which is a little bit easier for me. Okay, so 6 times 8, 48, carrier of 4. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 more is 12. So we have 128 pints. Okay, 1, 2, 8 pints. Okay, you can write out pints if you want to. I'm just not going to. Okay, all right. Craig scored P points in a game. Marla scored twice as many points as Craig, but 5 fewer than Nelson scored. How many points did Nelson score? So, okay, so we have Craig. Okay, he scored P. Marla scored twice as many points as Craig. Okay, but 5 fewer than Nelson. Hold on, that one doesn't go there. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Oh, gotcha. Okay, hold on, guys. Sorry, I goofed on that one. Okay, so okay, so Craig scored points. Okay, Marla scored twice as many points as Craig, so 2P. Okay, but 5 fewer than Nelson. Well, in order to get to Nelson's, I have to add 5. That's it, guys. All done. Okay. All right. We are going to do 3x plus 2 onto 4y plus x. Okay. Let's do it. All right. So first, we need to do parentheses. We can't do anything with that. Okay. Can't combine those. Y and x are 2 different variables. We cannot combine them unless we're multiplying, and that's adding. Okay. So now I need to take care of my distributive property. Okay, so now I'm going to have 3x plus, because that's not going anywhere. 2 times 4 is 8y. Okay, you have to include that y. Plus 2 times x is 2x. Okay, so now I'm going to combine my like terms. So I get 5x plus 8y. All done, guys. Okay. Okay, write your work down. Okay. All right. The Empire State Building in New York City is 443.2 meters tall. This is 119.2 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Write an equation that can be used to find the height in meters of the Eiffel Tower. Well, let's see. 119.2 meters, right? Plus whatever that height is equals the height of the Empire State Building. Okay? So if we wanted to find that height, using what we were doing before, we would subtract the 119.2, getting h alone, subtract the 119.2 over here, and wind up with the height. Okay? All right, guys, thanks for hanging out for 8.3. Come on back for 8.4. See you soon.